Yes, all right.
Let's go to Mzansi then.
Yes, darling.
Let's go to SABC1 then.
Listen,
How much do you have?
Zisuga. This interview is finished. It's over. It is over. Enough to make me undepressed when I'm depressed.
Okay.
Yeah. Knowing your self-worth. I'm like, you're giving this to or who you've never seen or met, and for them it will make their day, you responding, number one. You know?
But you once said that, there was a time when you were people who were more famous than you, and not that you were, jealous or envious, but you could people who are more famous than you. I just feel like you are riding the.
To be quite honest and modestly so.
Yeah.
You are correct. So Colgate, that side is so easy.
So here's the extravagant part for me is that.
Yes, and they think money is the only thing that from everything. It's not the only thing that they do. And he said, don't worry, thanks for even taking your time.
Yeah. So outside, yeah.
I still do. And when you someone, even when you're no longer friends, you don't want to see them go through hell.
Did you not see her other people like she knew though when you were her friend? So
I have, but
when was the last time you were? You are never
right. And then I get to work with Fresh, a person who is God,
yeah.
and still is willing to you and ride you and give you the experience of a lifetime.
What time do you get to? Because 5 o'clock is not a joke.
No, now my age.
Before generations.
My age before, I would like a UJ student at 3 and then wake up at 5.